Hi there and welcome to this episode of Simply Tech. Today we'll be reviewing the 0X Polaris. Let's open up the box here. Now what we've got inside is some blade guards that come with it. The Need controller, I do like the shape and feel of this. We've got an extra set of blades there, and of course the USB charger. Now we've got the drone itself. I thought that the arms fold out, but they're actually in a fixed position. It's actually a neat and compact unit, and we'll throw up the dimensions a little later on to have a look at. The propellers are nice and plasticky, so it's a good thing that we've got the replacement blades on there, and of course we've got the power button on the front. When we turn it over, we've got the 720p supposedly HD camera, and we'll have a look at footage from that a little later on. And we've got another sensor here. I don't know what this actually does, as well as the Wi-Fi antenna. Now the battery slides straight into the back here. It did take a little bit of time to get it off. It is very plasticky and fiddly to get off. Now it is 660 milliamp hours. And you plug in the charger straight to the side here. Now it does take 55 minutes to charge from zero. And it will give you approximately 8 minutes flying time, which is very little, but that's what you get out of a very low capacity battery. The controller itself is pretty neat. We've got these two little antennas on the top here. And to turn on the controller, you just flip these two arms down, which double up as holding your phone when in use. Now the controls do feel nice and fluid. They're certainly a lot better than the previous drone that I had. Okay, so we've got the left controller, which is the attitude. We've got the right controller, which is the trim and left right. We've got the emergency button there to make an emergency landing. We've got a video button to let you record through the app. We've got the quick takeoff button. And we've also got a button to take photos through the app. Now on the top we've got the 360-degree flip. We've got the reverse button, so if you are going to have an accident, you can go into a quick reverse and avoid a collision. We've got the button for the headless mode, and we've got the speed button here. The drone starts off in low speed mode, press it again, moves to more of a medium speed, and then press it again, we move into fast speed. Okay, on the bottom we've got these retractable spring-loaded holders here. This allows you to put in any phone. It'll hold my phone quite easily, which has a 6.2 inch screen, and these fold away quite neatly when they're not in use. Now included in the box you do get these fan guards, which are very easy to install. It actually comes with a screwdriver to allow you to do that. You get a set of blades and of course the USB charging cable. Now the unit itself is quite small and compact. We'll have a look at the dimensions right here. And very lightweight at 118 grams. It also does come with a pretty decent instruction manual. It'll go through what all the different parts are, what to do when you've got a problem with it and where to get warranty, as well as where to download the app. Plus there's a very quick guide in there of how to pair the controller with the drone and how to get it prepped for flight, as well as how to connect to the drone's Wi-Fi using your phone. Now let's have a look at some footage here. Now the camera is only 720p, so the footage is going to be quite choppy. I did get better footage from the GoPro than from the onboard camera. But again, I didn't have very high expectations from a 720p, very low resolution camera. As you can see, the footage is choppy. It does the job. Now the other thing is, this is very hard to control in the wind. The wind was pretty still, but it does pick up from time to time, and you're going to struggle to hold it against the wind with the trim function. As you can see, it gets pushed quite hard, and you do tend to crash into things. I did have a few crashes and did manage to break the little legs on it. They're still on there, but look, given that this is retailing at $149 Australian, I did pick it up for $39 in the Black Friday sales, so I didn't have very high expectations of it. Anyway, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider hitting like and subscribing for updates on new content, as it helps out the channel.